Hello and welcome back. I'm really glad you are here today. Take a moment. Breathe slowly. This is your time to practice English calmly and naturally. Today we talk about something everyone wants, but few people truly understand: discipline. Not the hard discipline, not punishment discipline. Real discipline, the kind that makes life easier. In this lesson, I will speak slowly. I will repeat important ideas. You can listen and repeat with me. This is shadowing. Listen and speak after me. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Discipline is decision, not motivation. Many people wait to feel motivated. They say, "Tomorrow I start. Next week I focus. When I feel ready, I act." But discipline does not wait for feelings. Discipline is a decision. You decide before your emotions decide. Motivation changes every day. Decision stays. You don't brush your teeth because you feel inspired. You do it because it is normal. When English becomes normal, discipline becomes easy. Repeat, I don't wait to feel ready. I act, then I feel ready. Again, action creates motivation, not the opposite. Part 2. Reduce friction. Sometimes we are not lazy. We are blocked. Too many steps create resistance. If practice is complicated, you avoid it. Make it simple. Very simple. Instead of study English for 1 hour, say open one audio. Instead of learn 20 words, say learn one sentence. Small entry, big continuation. Starting is the hardest part. Repeat, easy start, strong habit. Again, make starting easy, and you will continue naturally. Part 3. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Read one line. Repeat one phrase. Say one idea in English. 2 minutes removes fear. Your brain accepts small tasks, and small tasks grow. 2 minutes today becomes 10 tomorrow. Consistency beats intensity. Repeat. Short practice. Every day is better than long practice sometimes. Again, frequency builds fluency. Part 4. Identity creates discipline. Stop saying, "I want to learn English." Start saying, "I am an English speaker in training." Identity changes behavior. A runner runs. A reader reads. An English speaker speaks. When you change who you believe you are, your actions follow naturally. Repeat. I practice because it is who I am becoming. Again, my actions follow my identity. Part 5. Remove negotiation. Every day we negotiate with ourselves. Maybe later. Just today I skip. I'm tired. Negotiation kills discipline. Decide once, same time, same action. Every day, no discussion. Morning coffee. English audio dinner finished. One repetition before sleep. One sentence, no thinking, only doing. Repeat. Routine removes resistance. Again, when it is scheduled, it is easier. Part 6. Reward. The brain. Your brain loves reward. After practice, give yourself something positive. Smile, stretch, drink water, listen to music. Your brain learns. English walks good feeling. Soon you don't need effort. You feel pulled, not pushed. Repeat. What feels good repeats. Again, enjoyment creates consistency. Part 7. The Bamboo Lesson. There is a bamboo tree in Asia. For years, nothing grows above the ground. You water it every day. You see no result. Many people stop, but under the soil, roots grow deep. Then, one season, it grows meters in weeks. Discipline works the same way. At first, no visible progress, but inside, your brain changes. One day, speaking feels natural, not magic. Accumulation. Repeat. Invisible progress is still progress. Again, roots grow before results. Closing great job today. You listened carefully. You repeated. You trained your speaking brain. You are not just learning English. You are building a daily identity. Come back tomorrow. Repeat again. Fluency is not a big moment. It is a small daily promise. Keep going. I believe in your progress. And I'll see you in the next practice.